Sisi Colin, dalawat sa iyong yung kumakain kayo ng anong klaseng yung ulo na lang sis. Ayan na Ma'am Shinri, dan watching po Ma'am Shinri. Sorry. Kaita, nandito ako. I'm here in your channel right now. Okay. Okay, sino bang ano natin? Breakfast sandwich, where are you? Jill Jim, he like that. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. You can drop your link right now, my friend. Okay, I'm going to your channel. Thank you so much, Tinang, Sisi Koy. Okay, sino to? Joel, I'm here in your channel right now, watching one of your video. Okay, I'm looking for not slow. Oh, you have just only 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your main channel? Are you just starting? Ah, okay. Here, I'm watching your latest upload. This one. You see this? I'm watching right now. Please, Nes, kumusta Sisi Koy? Alam ko nagbakasyon ka Sisi Koy. Nakita ko yung parang nagtatanim ka ba ng palay? Ano ba yun? Oh, enjoy sa yung bakasyon Sisi. Enjoy lang. Aita, I'm here in your channel. I'm watching your video. Almost done. There. Okay. Thank you everyone. Please comment guys so I will play your video. No comment, no play guys. Okay. Kaita, done watching your socialize here. Done watching your video. I will not leave comment. Oh, this is turn off comment, so I will not also leave comment anymore. Thank you. Cheesing. Jewel Chisim, are you still there? I am playing your video right now. Here, I'm here playing your video. Cultivation well this sister, okay? Ano yun? Okay, but I don't understand, but it's okay. As long as I will play your video, yeah, we are helping each other. Okay. Please help also the one I paint. She has also little banana. You just have some like 200 something, 66 something. I don't know. But you can also comment one of her videos, so you and no mas angga help each other. Joel Chisim. Chisim. Tama ba yan? Basa ko. Okay, thank you very much, sister. You're welcome. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Ma'am Clarita. Maraming salamat po. Andun pa ako kanina sa live niyo mo, ma'am. Tapos nung mga 10:30 na, nagpaalam na ako kay magla-live na nga din ako. Yan. Salamat po sa thumbs up. Kabayan ba natin si Mas ang parang ibang lahi niya. Nandoon ako sa bahay niya kanina, idol eh. Golden Puso. Hindi natin kalahi, pero mabait siya. Ito din si Joel, hindi rin. Salamat Ma'am Clarita, palablab. Thank you. Pupunta ako sa bahay mo Ma'am Clarita. May ka na, highlight ka na. Ubos English natin dyan. Okay, ako nga, magkatuwad balis ka yung English ko, bahala na. Pag maintindihan niya ako, pag hindi, wala talaga tayo magagawa. Andito ako Ma'am Clarita sa yung highlight, yung